As I mentioned, we have a special guest. Nikki, you're in trouble. Deanne has agreed to help us scare away any evil spirits. If you haven't seen this before, I'm jealous, because I'm a horse guy too, and here we go.